Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for downloading something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on the circle, which is your account. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now. And after that, just tap on the circle and enter Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available. And thanks to this, you can check all of the updates pending, which you can download. So basically, of course, if you want to, you can update all of those apps, but if not, you can simply mark those which you'd like to. So let me pick, for example, Google Drive, Maps, and the Chrome. And after that, just go to the, actually, you do not have to go to the very top of the list, because as you can see right here, we've got this info panel, and on the right, we've got the update icon. So just tap on it. And as you can see, all of the apps will be downloaded, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically, you do not really need to do anything more. So basically, that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.